How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through two trades I took today. One was a winner and one was a loser. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that thumbs up button. Click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. So, I want to start off by saying, man, what a pump off of CPI this morning. I don't know that I've ever seen a pump like this off of data. Insane. SPY is starting to look like a meme stock, right? Some insane moves here lately. But anyways, if you watch my weekly watch list, you all know this fib level, 448.7 area, was what I was watching for a possible short entry. You know, it wasn't the ideal setup today with this insane strength. I really didn't want to push right up to it. I wanted to have a couple of days in between, but whatever, you know, we got up to it. My first entry was right here, but I was trading ES futures based off this SPY level, which I do all the time. But for this example, we're going to look at SPY. So we came up, we got in, literally bought at the top of this, went short on ES. Caught a move down here, contracts, same day expiration, moved close to 30%. We got a trim in, it came back up, we stopped out at our entry, right? But my original game plan was to add to this position at 4,500 SPX. The reason that changed, once I trim, you know, if I get in with, say, half my position, and I have, you know, my plans to add it the next level if we get up there, if it comes down and I trim, I typically will not add, right? I'll get out of the trade and possibly look for a trade in that area once we reach it, okay? That way I'm locking in profits. We can look at ES real quickly in that area. Right here was a move. You can see my entry was close to that 4508 area, pushed down to 4499 area. A decent trade on ES, a decent scalp, you know. Not going to make me rich, but that's what I'm looking for when trading ES. I want them 5-10 point moves, right? That's what I'm trying to lock in. Don't seem like much, but if you can do that consistently, it really can be life changing. Now the next move, let's take a look at SPX. We're all over the place today, but the next move was at this 4,500 area. I had a very tight stop loss on this. Reason being, I didn't want to end my day red. I was willing to break even on the day. Had a really nice day yesterday. And this 4503.31 was a resistance that I had drawn out prior to this trade. I said, if we open above that, chances are we're going to continue up, which we are pulling back some now. We'll see which way it goes. I'm completely out of this trade. I took a loss on this trade. Now let's go back to the SPY chart. So we came up, got in this trade. I told everyone, I said, listen, this is my game plan. I want to push down to ES 4510 for my trim. My average was 4515. You know, I want that 5-point move. Sometimes I'll trim at 3 points. Again, I'm still working. I know I'm slacking on the PDF I told you all I was making, but I promise you I'm still working on it. You will get that. I had a sell order set at 4510, that 5-point trim I was trying to lock in there. Or I had that stop loss, mental stop loss, watching the SPX level. I said if we close above, I'll be out, and we closed here, and I got out on this candle here. Followed my plan exactly. See, even on a small red day or a break-even day, if I practice proper risk management and I follow my plan, that's a win to me. I realize I'm not going to have every day green, right? We're going to have losing or break-even days. What's important and what makes it, you know, easier to swallow is sticking to your plan and practicing proper risk management. That's all we can do. Losing trades will happen. Losing days will happen. We just have to follow our plan, accept it, and move on, right? This is part of trading. You know, if trading was easy, everyone would be doing it full time to be, you know, billionaires, right? It takes a lot of discipline, a lot of consistency, right? It takes showing up every single day. Like I said, I've said this before, and I'll say it again. The most successful day traders I know are the ones that simply just wouldn't give up. They show up every day, put in the work, and they know how to manage risk. That's all I have for this video. I hope it helps you all out, kind of going through the winning trade, the losing trade. If you like these recaps, please be sure you're sharing them and hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps me out. I try to keep these going for at least 1 or 2 a week. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.